Yeah, no issues with the new carb. I mean, it's all been really great after that.
Yeah, if you take a look in there, normally it has like a flat front, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It like definitely looks like it exploded.
This old headlight, my speedo also went out. Shit, man. Oh, yeah, that's disconnected from that there.
Oh,
So that's gotta be it.
That is it. I got a new carb. I got basically the same one as Mitch.
Mhm.
Because he noticed some performance enhancement.
Yeah, definitely.
But I also got a bigger intake.
This is all stuff on the way right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, dude.
Got a nibby coming?
Got a new exhaust for $35.
Yeah, high performance, no shit.
Nice.
We'll see if it
poking
fits.
around.
It's for the life fan specifically, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to fit on the bike.
Yeah.
So either we're going to have to do some weird shit, which you know how much we love.
Really
the
like
other thing,
those.
like I was looking at, is you can polish the inside of this, and then it makes air like run through it faster. And that can give you a little boost called porting and polishing.
Really?
Yeah.
That's useful.
The new carburetor would probably help.
Crap
I
me
don't
up
see
a
why it
little bit.
wouldn't.
Make me a little bit crappier.
Right.
Just keep modding it until it gets faster.
Look at that.
I think it's splayed open.
I know, it like totally came apart.
Great.
You kind of see the little
Small
melty bits.
explosion in here.
Yeah.
Just put a brand new one in and call it good, right?
That's what I thought we were gonna do. Why not?
It couldn't happen twice.
No.
See how-
Never.
If it happens a third time, then
we'll.
Yeah.
But hey, that one lasted a while.
That thing definitely got hot.
And now we're gonna, I know, you can see the little melty bits.
Try that.
Ayo.
Yeah.
Right. That's
It's like actually like,
Welding mask on, dude.
yeah.
Tim, you made a good purchase here, friend.
Yeah, those are nice. They're really bright.
This is like way
Good,
Right.
good.
Yeah.
Feel safer out there now.
till it explodes.
Do we get the brake light yet?
Nope.
Still.
Dan, would you like to take a peek in here?
Shit,
I have no
dog.
idea what I'm looking at.
Yes,
Nope.
PTSD from these cords
My
I see
too.
there's little
thing.
plastic nubbins that goes nowhere.
Reaching my
nubbins.
full fist up into that.
Please get elbow deep into the butthole of my bike.
I've been elbow deep in everyone's bike so many times. I think power just comes into the switch, is not connected until a switch is pulled, flows out via green, and then grounds through the frame over at the light.
Okay.
So I guess we can unplug this.
Now
Okay.
we have something.
So the
Okay.
switch is working just fine. So our problem is after the switch. And I bet you it's probably going to be the bulb. This goes to factory green and yellow. So we should take your back cover off there.
Ah!
We're good?
Yeah, those were together.
Sweet.
Got it?
We're back. All right, dog. We're back, baby!
You could have these connected and it'll stop working because the electricity is going to flow through here, through the metal, back to your battery. So we kind of want to like patch up any exposed copper before the connection,
Okay.
so you don't ground out before it gets to the bulb.
For example, this thing.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So we can
Okay.
E-tape those.
And then tuck them up.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Braking?
Nice and bright.
Sweet.
That'll work, man.
About halfway.
Still intact.
Walls look a lot better than I thought they were gonna.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Dude, the beer's even still up. Look at that. Oh, wow.
The true test.
You didn't even lose your beer, Dan.
Yeah. Nice.
Really?
That is, dude.
Sweet, well, I'll go get my keys and...
To Blue Mountain we go.
I think we just go back down. I think it'll get better. I hope. There's only one way, so. Yeah. Yeah, I almost lost it like 5 times. Oh, dude.
Yeah, a little harder than I. Oh
No.
well, the first fall, not on the trail.
I dropped mine twice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I should have had you in front of me. That would have been some great footage, dude.
Oh.
No. Whew.